Hello everybody, this is Sneha this side. I'm a Kajabi technical implementation expert, and today I'm going to show you, in this tutorial, how to use Kajabi as an email provider when you have a pre-existing WordPress or a Squarespace website. So this method will work on any other website that you have. It might be, anything else, as long as it allows you to embed a piece of code into the website builder. This will still work for you. So why do people do that? This is a question that I want to answer today. There are a lot of people who have websites already in place, right? So when they come to Kajabi, they come with an intention of using it for the course, but they realize that they have email capabilities. Kajabi has email capabilities that they could use, and they could step down from the email provider that they are already using, because it helps in cutting cost. When you're paying for Kajabi, you necessarily do not need a separate email provider like ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign. So a lot of people want to use Kajabi for emails. They want to use it for the landing pages. They want to use it for their course, but they already have a website in place and they don't want to bring that website to Kajabi. So that's right. That's a valid point. For me, I have a lot of people who come to me with a request to take down their website and bring it to Kajabi. So I always look at a few things before telling them what is the right way to go ahead. If you have your WordPress website for a long time now, and you have very strong SEO, as in you have a lot of blog content on your WordPress website, and you are getting a lot of good SEO value out of it, then I do not suggest them to bring their websites over to Kajabi, because SEO does take a hit. But if your site is really new, it doesn't have a lot of SEO built in, it doesn't really pop up in searches as much. So then, it would be a good thing to bring it all inside of Kajabi. That's a choice. There's no wrong choice or there's no right choice. It's just a personal choice what you want to do, whether you want to have a WordPress website and use Kajabi for other things, or you want to have everything in one place. It's a very personal opinion. I used to be a WordPress user, and probably 6 months back I have bought my website over to Kajabi. I really like it because it's very easy to maintain. There is no monthly or weekly updates I need to do and I need to take care of. And it is much more user friendly than WordPress. So that's my personal opinion, and that's why I have my WordPress. I don't have my WordPress website anymore. I use Kajabi for my website, for my email provider, and also use it for landing pages. So today I wanted to show this how to use Kajabi as an email provider if you have a WordPress website. Okay, so there are 2 to 3 ways you can do it. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way, which is embedding a Kajabi form onto a WordPress website. So this would be a form that you take, it's a Kajabi form, and you embed into a WordPress website so that you can use Kajabi as an email system. I've done this for 2 clients, and I have those websites open in front of me to show you an example, right? So let's go to this one. It is movemethod.com. And over here you see that there is this form, right? So this is a customized Kajabi form, and it goes with the website. It blends in, right? So that is what we want. We want our form to blend in with the entire website. And then there is this form, which is here, which is again a Kajabi form, but it blends beautifully with my client's website. So both of these are WordPress websites, but they use Kajabi for their emails and also their courses. So I'll teach you how to create this inside of Kajabi now. I would like to make myself a little bit smaller so you can still see me, but it doesn't occupy a lot of screen space. So the first step would be to create a new form, right? So I'll just add this in the description as well, so it will be easy for you. So we need to create a new form. That's the first step. And give it a title. We'll give it the title of today's date, 7th Feb. And then click save. So right now we have a form. We can embed this form the way it is, which is this way. Join the newsletter, subscribe to our latest content, like an email, subscribe. But I'm sure that you don't want to use this plain Jane looking form, right? You want it to look pretty. So you want probably it to look, blend in. Blending is very important part of a user experience. So I'll show you how to customize this form to make it like this, okay? So what you go is that if you are happy with this form and you want to use the way it is, you could just go to embed and take this code from here and embed it onto our website, right? This code will go wherever you want to embed this form. I would not show you how to do it in WordPress because WordPress is like a giant thing and they have many themes. So this would depend on which theme you're using. Now, so they will you will probably know where to embed this piece of code. So it will be different in different themes. So you want to use this one, ready go. But if you want to make it look a little prettier and customize these things, and this is where it is. Over here we have the settings. Just go down and there is settings, join the newsletter and subscribe to get our latest content in the email. So these are the two pieces of content over here that you can change, right? So if I want to say something else, not join the newsletter, I want to say grab your freebie. Okay, this is what I'm going to say. And over here I want to say, let me know where to send it. And then I want to centralize this. I want to fold this probably, or I don't want to do it because, yeah, this is fine the way it is. And I want to change this button color over here, subscribe. I want to change it to dark blue, which is my brand color. And I want the form, this color of the background to change to light blue, which is again my branding. And then I want the font color to be peach, which is my brand color. So these are the three brand colors I wanted, and I want to change the text. Yes, please. This is the text I want on the button. These are the things that I want to change. So I'll save it and we'll see what changes and how the form looks now after all these changes, right? So this is now how the form looks. Very different to this one, right? So this is completely different. We can, hold this also a little bit. So it just looks a little more, and we can play with the colors. If we want it white, we can keep it at white, and then we'll see how it looks. Right, so you can just split this and get to a place wherein you are happy with the way this will blend into your main website, so because blending is very important. Sometimes we don't need these things, like in this example, I don't have anything written over here because I just wanted this and then the form, right? So I don't have anything, so you can just remove these two bits of text if you just want an effect which is like this. Right, over here also I've done the same thing. I have not changed, these things are not part of the form. The form is this, but these are just on the WordPress website itself. Okay, so this is how you could do it. And let's just click save and I'll show you how it looks. We have to just go back a little to see the actual look. So we'll click preview. And this is how it looks. It's so different to this looking form. This is so much more prettier. So I'll show you a way how to make it more pretty. We again go to embed because that's the place where you get to edit your form. We can add an image probably, right? So let me know where to send it. And then I go up and over here I choose upload an image. Okay, let's do this image because this is the one that I use for my freebie. Let's do this and see how it looks now. So there is a lot of things, there are a lot of things that we can do. It's just about being a little creative with the platform and playing with it and seeing what works best. Yeah, so we can have this one. Grab your freebie, let me know when you send it. And this is a nice image that goes below your form. So, right, you see, this, we made it like this. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Right, so this is the way you do it. And after, when you have this form, what you want to happen when somebody clicks a form is something that you can add in term forms of automation. And then there are a lot of options over here which you can also play with, right? So I hope you found this video valuable, and if there's anything that you want to know, and so please feel free to reach out to me. My email address is sneha@snehahirimat.com. Uh, I would leave email ID probably below, and let's connect. Bye bye.